What's up everyone, I'm back with another video, and today guys I will be sharing with you how I fix my battery problem in my MacBook Air laptop. So at first I thought it was just an internal problem, so I searched in YouTube how to fix the problem, and I saw a couple of videos showing tutorials on how to fix it internally. Like you have some keys to key in, like 3 to 4 keys, like shift command, and then something like that. After that, I tried that, and then nothing happened. So I opt to buy a 13-inch battery MacBook Air in Lazada, and here it is. I already received my package, and later I will show you what's inside. Without further ado, let's start opening my laptop. So how to indicate guys if your laptop has a battery problem? First, if it will not turn on without cable, or in other way around, it will only turn on if the power cable is connected to the hub. So number 2 indication, if it's fully charged and then after a couple of minutes, like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, it drains to 5% already, or the worst, it drains to 0%. That is definitely a battery problem.
Ano?
Replacing battery.
Katanggalan man yung maning sound, no?
Hmm.
Yan na pa TV sa kwarto ya. Basi gusto ka ayu-ayuhon to ya.
I-search na ano to. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you find this video helpful on your battery problems on your laptop. So on that note, let me see you on my next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye.
That's my best friend.